So the rifle is back on development. So I fixed a few things. First I make this a little bit bigger. So the last time it was this small. I just this small, which was a mistake, big mistake. So now it's a 1 centimeter in diameter. So more surface area, more gooder. But it is not ready for shooting yet. It is not ready for shooting yet. I still need to fix the chamber. It's a little bit torn out. So this part over here is a test for gas seal, for better gas seal. So it's essentially just string that wrap around and soak in lubricant. So they will keep the gas tube always loose. So the chamber won't be too much work because I made it modular. So I don't have to make the whole thing again. Basically, this is just one part of it. So I have a sleeve outside. You would have 2 threads. Those are the most time-consuming part, the thread. So this have a screw on it. So the sleeve outside have 4 holes for screw. So you can just take up screw and push it out and replace it with a new one with the same screw. Put in, screw it back on, screw it back in, and ready to go. So I've been using it for the taper cartridge. It's been working very well. And also I need to fix the suppressor because 1 or 2 baffles are straight while testing. Now how did the baffle get straight? So I was making a bullet, but it was kind of shit quality. So they usually have a core like this, lead core, and paper sleeve. So the lead core wasn't going properly.
Hope I can see cycle.
So when I shot it, just fling out the red core. So just like bang. And the bullet come after it. So that's how it is.